This is a room tour of room 14234 in Park MGM in Las Vegas. So this room is one of the really nice red ones with the 2 queen beds. They are quite spacious. I do enjoy staying here. As we pan around into the closet, we've got the large set of drawers to store all your clothes in. And the standard ice bucket with the 2 glasses as you get in pretty much every room. Wall safe, which I'm not a massive fan of these. I feel like they're a bit thin and not particularly good for storing some stuff in. An iron if you want to do any ironing. Some more storage at the top as well. And this is one of those that if you pull this door to go into the bathroom, it closes the closet. So it's one single door for both of them. It's kind of cool. Bathroom itself is very clean, it's tidy, it's nice, it's bright, it's not dirty at all, and it's probably one of the better bathrooms you'll see in Vegas. Standard artwork on the wall, and it's got the amenities here, towels all stacked in this cool little holder. I kind of like that. Shower is nice and clean, although the red is a bit overpowering sometimes. Can you imagine coming back here when you're drunk? That's a lot of red to take in. As I said, shower's clean, always get the amenities on the side. Nice crystal clean taps. Toilet, standard, some nice artwork above the toilet. Only thing that lets it down here is the queen room only has 1 sink. Generally, I like to see 2 sinks when you have a 2 queen room. So coming round into the main room, you have a connecting door if you have any guests staying next to you. Full length mirror, small mini bar. Beds are very comfortable, but I always tend to find that the MGM beds are more comfortable than somewhere like Caesars. You've got here a little phone if you ever need it, but who needs a phone these days? Lights next to the bed. Decent sized television. You got your ports as well here if you wish to connect anything to your television, but you shouldn't really. You're in Vegas. Go enjoy Vegas. Nice table here with a chair and a settee or sofa, whatever you want to call it, to sit on. Now this is a bit strange, the wire that goes to the light here. I'm not sure why that wasn't fed through the wall. Who knows, but it's not too much of a hassle. I do like the full length sofa though. It is nice to lie on. As I said, beds are comfortable, the room is spacious, and I do find it nice to stay here. Anything I would change maybe is the carpet. I feel the carpet is a little bit tired and doesn't quite fit in. So the view I have is of the strip, and as you can see, because the tower is so far back, strip view is mostly consisting of the bottom part of Park MGM, you know, the top of where the casino is. But you do get some decent views from here. Sky's a little bit overcast today, but that's not too much of a problem. Nice view of New York as well. You can generally see the planes taking off as well, and I do like to watch them sometimes. So yeah, as I would say, I would change the carpet. It does feel a little bit dated and tired as opposed to the rest of the room. But overall, it's a very nice experience.